Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa on the grill full guide. Start by preheating your grill to medium-high, then char tomatoes, onions, and peppers until edges blacken slightly. Let produce rest briefly to lock in juices, then chop or pulse coarsely in a bowl. Add cilantro, lime, salt, and a drizzle of olive oil, toss gently, and taste for balance before serving with chips or tacos. Choose fresh, firm tomatoes and peppers that will roast well without turning mushy. Consider using a mix of varieties for both sweetness and texture, and keep cilantro and lime on hand to brighten flavors. Roast ingredients until they blister and develop smoky notes, then combine with salt and a touch of olive oil to marry flavors. Taste and adjust heat or acidity gradually so the salsa sings with balance and freshness. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice for a pleasant drive after taco night. It pairs humorously with salsa road trips. Check the description for the link and other deals where applicable, and now let's get back to the video. Grill each vegetable until its skin is blistered and slightly blackened, turning for even char and smoky depth. Cool ingredients briefly to make handling easier, then chop or pulse to your preferred salsa texture. Taste and season in stages, adding salt, lime, and a touch of oil to bring everything together. Finish with cilantro, and let the salsa rest for 10 to 20 minutes so flavors meld before serving warm or at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.